We are going to create a file home.html. The Bootstrap file is called. Now in the same Bootstrap folder only we have icon folder also. Icon folder is there or not? See here. We have icon folder as well. So in icon folder, let me share this icon folder. If anyone has not this icon folder, they can download it. Six MB nearly. Scan to your chat. Download that, extract in the main folder.
So could you please share again the icon folder?
Send you in the chat. Check again. Visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come to this file now. Call again. Icon slash. It should not be icon inside icon. Icon slash css slash all dot css. After this, write a comment here. Top nav start, top nav end. Top nav start, top nav end. Right, now come down. In between, you have opened one index file from which folder? Example folder, navbar desktop. You can see here, nav is a HTML5 tag, is a start here, and nav is ending here. We are going to copy this nav to nav from index file. Copy nav to nav from index file. Copy nav to nav from index file. And after that, paste in which file? Home file. You have written a comment, top nav start, top nav end. You can paste in between. Code will become huge code. You should not feel like overload. If there will be functionality, then there will be code also. That file is available under the example folder. If you have not downloaded, I sent in the chat, download that, extract it quickly. Whoever has not got this example folder, I sent in the chat, download it quick, then extract it. Inside you will find download and extract, then let me know again. I'll write next what to do. After extracting, there is one folder called navbar fixstop. Please go to the navbar fixstop folder. Under the navbar fixed folder, index file is there. You can open the index file. Index file is there. You can open the index file. Under index file, this is the content nav to nav. Under the index file, this is the content nav to nav. You can copy that. Nav to nav. You can copy and paste in home file. Hopefully your home file should be like this. हेलो, हाँ हेलो, हाँ सर, बोलिए सर। ठीक है, हम आपको कॉल करेंगे 6:30 को। आ सकते हैं, 7 o'clock तक मैं स्वीट में हूँ, फिर कल भी रहेंगे। 7 to 7 रहते हैं, लेकिन कल ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं दे सकते हैं, बीच में क्लासेस रहते हैं कंटिन्यूस। ठीक है, 6:30 में आ सकते हैं फिर इवनिंग में। हाँ हाँ, ठीक है, आ जाइए। आने से पहले हमको हाय भेजिएगा, मैं लोकेशन भेज दूंगा व्हाट्सएप। So hope ready. Navigation come like this. Now for this navigation, multiple classes are there. How many background class you remember? BG, danger, success, info, warning, all are there. No? BG primary. Here one class is called BG dark, right? BG dark. So if you change here danger, it will become a red color. If you change here primary, it will convert into blue color. Change it white, it will convert into white color. Okay, depend on our requirement, we can change it. Okay, there is a class here called fixed top. Fixed top, what is that? In CSS, we have a position, we have a property called position fixed. Position fixed, what it will do? It will fix on top. It will fix on the top. Similarly, suppose in this page, if the content will increase, this navigation will be fixed on the position and content may scroll up down. Another property also we have, class we have, that is called sticky. Sticky. CSS, we have gone through one property called sticky. When you scroll up down from top, if there will be certain height, then it will become a sticky. That is called sticky. Let me show you one small example. Here it is running 2 days before only I have implemented in this website. It might be helpful. Planet.in website. In this website, when I go, you can see on the top, this blue block is there. Blue block. Navigation we have here. When I scroll down, see, become a what? Sticky. The navigation got fixed on the top, right? Navigation got fixed. When we scroll down again, you will find that will come. But when the navigation will touch the upper portion, like from top, if the gap is 0, then what will happen? Position will be fixed position. This is also fixed position only, but kind of sticky. Okay, so we have similar property inside our page also. What we have made, we can apply here as well. Okay, so those that we are going to see after adding some more thing. Fixed position, if you want to remove that and write here called sticky, sticky, sticky. So it will become a sticky on the top. Before that, we can add something else also. Let's make it sticky, sticky, sticky only. Sticky hyphen top. It is not only sticky. Sticky hyphen top. Okay, sticky hyphen top. Class name is sticky hyphen top. Ready? Next, after that, before this navigation, okay? Maybe write a section tag. For that section tag, you can write a class equal to bg hyphen, which color you will give, primary, p hyphen 2, hope you remember, text hyphen white, hope you remember, inside that we can use a division, we can use class equal to container, we can use another division, class equal to row, we can use another division, call lg for 4 Okay, hope ready. 4 inside the first 4, write some number, second 4, write email, contact@me.com, write the address here, check once. One blue color line will get added on the top. That is called how to add a new block before navigation. How to add a new block before navigation. Once the content will increase inside the page, automatically the position will be sticky. For testing purpose, if you want, you can go here, open the style, close the style, write for body, height 2000 px for body, apply height 2000 px. Once you scroll up down, you will find a sticky top will work. So we added. Scroll up down. This is happening. That is called a sticky top. Here in the right side, instead of writing the address, we can write here social media icon. Let's go now how to add the social media icon. For this last four, you can write the text end. Text end. What is that? In the CSS, if you remember, text align property, we remember. What are the values? Left, right, center, justify. So text end is nothing but text align right. Text align right is nothing but text end. Okay, under the text end, it will be written called text align right. Yeah, so your content will start from where? Right side. Text first means where? Text first or start. Text start. Text start is the beginning. Text center is the middle. Text center. Now right here, I tag follow class equal to, whenever you use the brand name, you have to write FAB, 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 space, FA hyphen Facebook, M hyphen 2 you can write, or M1, margin 4 pixel. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. You can find icons will appear, and this icon will be starting from the right hand side of the college 4. Okay, ready? Check now. Icons are coming in which side? Right hand side. Now this numbers is your own wish. How you want to display, where you want to display. You can plan accordingly. You can see once you go to the smaller device, these contents are getting top down because the classes what we have written only for LG. We have not written for this one, extra small. Let's write here call hyphen 4. So for very small device also we are saying call 4 only. Just try whether it's fit or not. If not fit, then we can use something else. Call 4. So call 1 to 12 is for which device? Mobile phone, very extra small. So we say here call 4. LG also will take the 4 and the extra small will also take the 4. So how that appear? Check in a small device. See, all are coming where? In the same line. large screen also, but in medium it will get breakdown. Because for MD and all you have not written anything. See, let me go here. It still look like a small only. Something is okay. Okay, no problem. It's a fitting. Now let us come for the next point, that is called, so the upper section is done. Now problem start from here. When we minimize it and click on this, the drop down is not opening. The drop down has to open here, menus. That is the functionality of JavaScript. Okay, that is the functionality of JavaScript. So in that you are not going to write anything if you are using the Bootstrap. It's all like a plug and play system. We will call the JavaScript file, it will start working. So let's call the JavaScript file a script src equal to a script src equal to dist slash js slash bootstrap dot main.js bootstrap dot main.js.
ಈ ಸತ್ಯ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಮಹಾದೇವ, ನಾವು ಬಯಸಿದ್ರು ಈ ಜಾಗತಿಕ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ
Ready? Added? Check now. Minimize the screen size. See that happen or not? Happening? When you click here, something like this. It's called toggle. First click open, second click close. Open, close, open, close. That is happening because of this JavaScript file. Because of that, it is called Bootstrap is the. If you talk about the Bootstrap individual, then it is called a library. But when you say Bootstrap is a framework also, that meaning HTML is required, CSS if you required, you can write it, and JavaScript is also required. Okay, then it will become more interactive page. Okay, next work is to implement to add some more menus. Come down. Here is a navigation. Your wish. If you want to keep, let it be this color. If you want to change the color, change here. Suppose if I go here and put as a bg-danger danger, I should see the menu will come in red color. bg-danger, the menu will appear in which color? Red color. So overall, it's your own requirement which color you want to display. Bottom up, okay. Dark was okay somehow. Coming down. Now navigations are there. We have so many classes are inside. So depend on our requirement, how we want to display that, we can use that. Fix nav bar is there somewhere. Fix nav bar, you change Bootstrap application. Boot BOOT STRAP Bootstrap app. Bootstrap app. Coming down, you have here called home. Home is there, right? So home we have. You can come down. For home, you can call the current file home.html. Link next we can write here login.html. Okay, or for login, don't write login here. Instead of login, write sign up. Login will create a model pop-up window. Sign up. Disable link is here. Remove that. href you can add. Contact. Contact us. We can add some more menus here. Service. Our services. Okay, so this way menus are added. So according to need, this file will create and we'll move on. So this upper navigation end here. Happening. Next, after this, you write a comment here. Banner start. Banner end. Okay, written banner start, banner end. Now come to that folder, example folder. You have one more folder called carousel. 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 Check once. Carousel folder is there. Go to the carousel folder. In carousel folder, we have a file index.html. Open that file again. File is open. In index, we have under the example folder, we found the carousel folder. Go to carousel folder, come down. You will find line number 38. My carousel start here. This carousel is nothing but banner, moving photos. Okay, moving photos. The photo will change automatically. We have to give the path here and the JavaScript file will change the photos. So now look at here. 38 number line you can see is starting, coming down. 84 number line you can see is ending. We need to copy this 38 to 84. Copy this and come to the home.html file. Comment you have written, banner start, banner end. Will paste inside. Banner start, banner end was written. In that, then paste inside. Okay. So first portion becomes a navigation. Before that, before the top navigation. Next, after that, we found the banner carousel. Come in carousel, you will find this kind of code. This one. It's available 3 times total. This type of code will be available total 3 times. Available. We will delete this section. This will delete this flower bracket to flower bracket, and we'll write inside img src equal to 1.jpg, height equal to 400, width equal to 100%. All three places you have to add the image. Here you added imgsrc. So added all three places. 2.jpg. One more we have 3.jpg. Then you will find something like this. Banner. That also moving banner. Please check once. So we change it. Navigation also should work. Just minimize the screen. The window should fit properly. Next, after this, okay, login wala hum log we have not added the login. We can add one link no login. After sign up, add one more link for login. In login, we will give hash, href equal to hash, only hash, and give here for login. Okay, login we have added. Next functionality is when we have to create all the pages. When we click on login, model should open pop-up window. When I click on login, the model pop-up window will open. So for that, let's open the website getbootstrap.com. 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 Open. Go to the docs. In docs, you have a link called come in the docs, in the down component block, you will find a link called model here. In the component section, if you click on docs, in the component section, you will find a link called model, M-O-D-A-L, model. Click on that model. Click on model. After clicking on model, next page will appear. Next page will appear. You can see this kind of pop-up. Here there is a live demo. If you click on launch demo model, this pop-up will open. Right? Like visible. When we click on this, this pop-up is getting open. It is called a model, M-O-D-A-L. Many times you will be using those kind of models. Then come down. We found this launch demo model. Come down. Button code we don't require. We require this sample model. Complete division to division you can copy. Even it is there in example also. But many examples are together. It will mislead us. So we can go here. Div to div you copy properly. Copied. Now come to our page. Inside our page, completely in the last, where body is there, you can keep a comment call. Login model. Start here. And login model end here. Login model start and login model end. Login model start, login model end. In between, you will be pasting that code, model code that we have copied from there. Okay. How this is going to work? This model code. Let me show you the example. Again, I will go to that website, medicalplanet.in. Hello. Yes, hello. Yes, madam, tell me. बोलिए. 4 o'clock कॉल कीजिए, 4 बजे क्लास चल रहा है. Okay. Now the model code we have added there. Suppose I went here in this page. After going here, I went to some page. Assume. Okay, leave that. Come to the main page also anywhere. You can see here, request a callback. When I click on this, model is open. No need to go to the other page. Within the same page only, work will be done. Right? That way you are going to use in the future. Huh? Model only. Model. What you have used, no? Copy paste you have done, right? Same code. I have changed the BG on the top. I have changed the primary. Now come. Let me go here. Suppose I clicked here. Can you see the model is open? This is large model. This is large model. And this is called default medium model. Pop-up only called model. Model is called pop-up. Pop-up is called model. On the top of the current window get open. That is called as what? Pop-up window. Okay. Pop-up and model both are not different. Pop-up is, you can call it a model. Model you can call it a pop. In the term of Bootstrap is called a model. In the term of JavaScript, call it alert, confirm, right? Remember? But here in Bootstrap, it's called a model. In the term of jQuery, it's called a dialog. Dialog, yes. In the term of React, it's called a sweet alert. Purpose is same. Everywhere we want to open a pop-up window only, but the technology-wise names are different. Sweet alert. Okay, that will look like once you click no, smoothly it will come. It will look like oh, lovely pop-up has come. That is called as what? Sweet alert. This is coming a little rough way. See here. When I click here, what is happening? Okay, this is also coming proper only, but that sweet alert will come. No, you will become oh. Some alert came. That is in jQuery. This take little long time to load. Okay, this take little time to load. The sweet alert will feel like swim, dome. It's like no. Once you click dome, something will. It will like oh, you have never thought and something appeared. Okay. There also we can set the appearance. Another one in jQuery we have a dialog. You will think like it will open before that it will open. Click somewhere, you will feel like it should open now before that it will open. Too faster. Okay, so this way you are going to manage. What you will do is like suppose you have a page. Inside the page, so many functionalities are there, and you don't want the customer to navigate multiple places. See, actually in application, we have to reduce number of clicks. User should not click multiple times to see a feature. You within less click, the user should get the feature. Okay, that's what the user experience will increase. In this page, you can show everything is one page only. Here only people can contact. Here only people can do many things. You can book appointment from the one place only. Our page, what we have, when we click here in the login, other pages let it go. Login page will link with the model. Once you click here, the pop-up will open here only, like model. Okay, come now. The code is copy paste. Now you can see there is a long ID that is called example model. We can change a small ID, maybe called login. Change the ID as a login. Change the ID as a login. Next, after that, we have to connect this division. If you go to your browser, you cannot find this division anywhere. It's not showing at all. It's a hidden by default. This division is hidden by default. Let me show you. You should not modify your code, just check once. See, I removed that class. One class was written in the beginning. If I go and refresh my page here, you can see that model is here. Model is here in the last. Model is open by default. You can see model is here only. Okay, it is here only. That code is visible. But if I add that class here, if I add that class model fed and all, you will find that code is not visible anywhere. It is just hidden. Now code is hidden. That is okay. When it will open, once we click on this link, login, then that should become as a visible. Okay. Through JavaScript now, the display none and display block. Display none means hide. Display block means visible. So remember what is the ID? Login. In Java, if you remember CSS, ID we used to create through hash. In the CSS, dot use represent the class. In jQuery also hash represent the ID and dot represent the class. Okay, so this file, when we click on this link, when you click on login link, now you are going to call the function from that file. Which file? JavaScript file. JavaScript file we are calling on the top, right? So from there we are going to call something. Okay, now let's see. You need to remember it. Okay, you need to remember it. Single line. So fixed value always. So model code we taken from somewhere, we added. After that, you change the ID or not change ID, your wish. If you are not changing the ID, use the same ID. If you are changing the ID, no problem, you can change it. Now here you have to write wherever you want to link it. Like suppose we want to click on link and then model should open. So we'll write here data hyphen bs hyphen toggle. Data hyphen bs hyphen toggle. Data hyphen bs hyphen toggle is a function. Toggle is a function. What is that? Today you saw in the navigation, first click open, second click hide. Hide, so what happening? Similar way, you can say toggle is a function that is going to identify whether it was a first click or second click. If first click means open and second click means hide. Open, close, hide so, hide so. Now let's see here. Data hyphen bs hyphen toggle, we have to call inside a function. The function name is called model. MODAL, model. Okay. Data hyphen bs hyphen toggle equal to model. Model is the name of a function. So on click, you are going to call a function. What is the function name? Model. It is available in which file? Bootstrap.min.js file. Now, when this function will call, this function should call, when the function will call, what will happen in that? You have to write below. You have to write below called data hyphen bs hyphen target. Data hyphen bs hyphen target equal to, which is the element you are targeting? You are targeting login. If it is a ID, you have to call here by hash. If it is a class, you have to call by dot. So simple way you can understand data bs toggle. You have to remember what is the model. Model is a function. Inside the function, we are going to pass a parameter. Parameter name is hash. Which one? Login. Now that model function will check in current page where is the element whose ID is login. Which is the element whose ID is login. Now how it will identify ID should be login? Because you are passing hash also. Hash represent the ID and login is the name of your ID. So now model function will check in current document where is the element, which is the element whose ID is login. And by default it will be hidden. Now model function will say as a show. Model function will keep as a show. So show meaning is what? Visible. Visibility will happen. Let me run. Have hope written data hyphen bs hyphen target equal to what? model and data hyphen bs hyphen toggle equal target, which one? Hash login. Let's come to your page, refresh the page and click on this login. Model is opened. So this function you are calling through property. The function you are calling as of now through property. I'll show you in that project I've written few days before. Instead of calling by property, I'm calling through the JavaScript code. Which function? Model function. Model function I'm calling through the JavaScript code. How I'm calling also? First check it's opening or not. Model got open. Model customization we will do. Now let me show you. Okay. I will share this link tag in your chat directly. Complete link tag I sent in your chat. This website I have opened. Let me go here, right click view source, and I'll show you the code of model function, how it works. Hide so. Come fast. Can you see here? One function is written here. Has booking dot model. Oh, becomes such a big. Okay, now it is under the control. You can see here where you went here. Can you see here? Has booking. So going up transform. Look like went up. Yeah. Has booking. Has represent what? ID. Dot model. We have also written the target equal to model. So there you are calling the model function through property, not on click. So data hyphen toggle equal to which one? Model. Right? Here what I have done? I have called the function and inside what I pass? As a hide. Means what will happen? As booking division will be hide. Look down here. OPT model. OTP model. OTP model dot model what we are passing. So now go here in your example. When you click here, so happen. By default, it was what? Hide. Now once you click happen through property function called and the particular division become as a so. Now when I click here, when I click on this close button, it will call another property called dismiss. Data hyphen bs hyphen model what? Dismiss. Now dismiss property what it will check? Model is already open. It will become as a hide. So here is a game of what? Hide and so, hide and so. While implementing, what you need to remember? No need to remember this model hide and so. It is JavaScript code. You need to remember one line. Data hyphen bs hyphen toggle equal to what? Model fixed always. Data hyphen bs hyphen target equal to what? Your ID or class. Bootstrap 3, Bootstrap 3 and Bootstrap 4 have. Bootstrap 3 have data hyphen toggle. Data hyphen toggle and data hyphen target. Where? In Bootstrap 3. In Bootstrap 4 and 5, they have added this one extra. Which one? BS. Don't know why they have added. It is same like what was earlier. Okay, so new version came. They have added. Okay, why to be keep same? Okay, so hope working. Remaining again next week we'll customize this one. Which one? Login model customization. We'll create this page as a complete template. After that, we will add the, we'll come to the forms and we'll design something. If anyone need home file, I will share you in the chat. You can use that. Okay, 3 minutes, see you again. As usual, your class will be whichever the time we are attending.